Back in 2013, when GTA 5 came out, I was fascinated by how much you could customize your character. From the hair and face to the body, you could tweak everything. It's like in real life, everyone wants to look their best, but in games, it's just a click away. This video is all about how you can naturally improve your appearance in every way possible. Let's start. Looks haircut, you can go for any hairstyle that suits your face, like messy fringe, middle part, undercut, slick back, buzz cut, or perm, depending on your preference and facial features. Grooming, maintain a clean and tidy appearance by trimming facial hair, shaving, and keeping your nails clean. Hydration, drink plenty of water to improve the overall look of your skin and eyes. Sleep, getting enough sleep is crucial for a healthy appearance and reduces puffiness around the eyes. Facial structure, lower body fat for a more defined jawline, and use techniques like mewing to enhance facial structure. This is how you do it correctly. Skincare, diet, and exercise. A healthy lifestyle is the best approach to clear skin. Cleanser, moisturizer, and exfoliator, these are the skincare products that you should use. Sunscreen is optional depending on your preference and risk tolerance for sun exposure. Natural ingredients, opt for products with natural ingredients to minimize hormonal disruption like aloe vera. Physique, exercise, invest in a gym membership or follow online workout routines to build muscle. Posture and body language, maintain good posture and confident body language for a more attractive appearance. Clothing and fashion style selection, choose a clothing style that suits you and makes you feel comfortable. Old money, skatewear, streetwear, and comfort wear are some of the options. Pinterest, use Pinterest to create a mood board and find outfit inspiration. Fit, ensure your clothes fit you well by measuring yourself before buying online. Smell and feel, shower regularly, but avoid using excessive shampoo and soap. Deodorant, choose a natural deodorant. Cologne, find a fragrance you like to create a signature scent. Oral hygiene, maintain good oral hygiene with a mouth scraper, mouthwash, and gum to freshen your breath. Moisturizer, use moisturizer if needed to keep your skin feeling soft. Mental health, self-improvement, focus on self-improvement to boost your confidence and overall well-being. Watch our channel, we're very disciplined in content production and everything, and we'll teach you the same positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset and avoid dwelling on negative thoughts. And if you want to be a Chad, then comment the word Chad and we'll inform you about our program. Subscribe to get successful, smart, sharp, and skilled, and to win forever.